Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you my top 6 exercises that help you gain muscle and get bigger in size. I've also included some important tips and how many reps I recommend doing for each one. Most of these exercises are compound movements and they work different muscle groups. That's how they help you get bigger compared to the other exercises you might do, which probably include just the work of 1 or 2 muscles. So do these ones and you'll get bigger faster. Just don't get too big. Guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. Ouch. Remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel.